Have you ever wondered how faceless YouTube channels make millions? Here's the secret nobody tells you. Imagine a world where your voice is your brand and your content is your currency. This is not just about anonymity, it's about creating a digital empire from the shadows. Welcome to the Faceless YouTube Revolution. In this episode, we're diving deep into the art of monetizing a faceless YouTube channel. Let's meet our guide, Alex, a mysterious figure known only by a voice and a silhouette. Alex's goal? To teach you how to turn your invisible persona into visible profits. Now let's explore the journey. First, we tackle the challenge. The common belief that faceless channels can't be as profitable as those with faces. But here's the twist. With the right strategy, they can actually be more lucrative. We'll explore 3 key strategies Alex uses. 1. Niche mastery. Alex doesn't just choose any niche. He goes for the underserved, passionate ones. For example, instead of gaming, he targets retro gaming for millennials. Here, competition is low and audience engagement is high. Alex's unique voice and delivery make his content instantly recognizable, building a loyal audience. 2. Monetization. Magic. Alex shares his secret to monetization, a blend of affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and merchandise. He uses his voice to create an emotional connection, making viewers feel like they're part of an exclusive club. His merch, featuring his silhouette, becomes a symbol of membership. 3. Analytics. Alchemy. Alex uses YouTube analytics like a wizard, turning data into gold. He shows how to analyze watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention to refine content strategies. Every metric tells a story, and Alex knows how to read it. The emotional arc here is the transition from skepticism to awe. Viewers start off doubting the viability of faceless channels, but through Alex's journey, they see the potential and power of anonymity in content creation. The resolution? Faceless channels are not just viable, they're a powerhouse of monetization when you know the secrets. The aha moment comes when viewers realize that the faceless approach allows for unique branding, less competition, and a deeper connection with the audience. As we wrap up, remember, anonymity isn't a barrier, it's an advantage. Alex's journey teaches us that your voice, your ideas, and your content strategy can build a lucrative empire, all while keeping your identity hidden. The takeaway? In the faceless world, your content speaks louder than any face. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll uncover the art of engaging faceless content creation to keep your viewers hooked.